don't stop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi, aka Memers. I am here with this full face using mostly e.l.f. products. I really like this look. I think it's so cool. I especially love the eyes. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you'd like to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Guys, as you can already tell by this video, I went shopping at e.l.f. and I bought a bunch of stuff. So I already have a lot of other things from e.l.f., but I went and I got a bunch of their new stuff because I wanted to try them. So we're gonna try them together and see how it goes. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. And I am using the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. I'm using the orange one because if you have some discoloration, that is the best one to use. It evens out that discoloration. It's the whole color wheel thing. I'm not an art major, so I wouldn't really know how to explain it to you, but I know that this one's the one that would work for me. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and use. And it looks like carrot juice. All right, so that's interesting. So the foundation that I have is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I have it in the shade Espresso. And to blend it out, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. I wet it a little, and I'm going to just see how it goes. This foundation, I'm not really sure what the coverage is. I'm guessing Flawless Finish is like a little bit sheer, so we'll go ahead and see. Okay, so you know what? I don't hate it. I actually really like it. I like this finish. It's a little bit red, but it doesn't look bad at all, actually. It looks pretty good. So as for concealer, I couldn't really find a good concealer, so I'm gonna use a different brand. I have my handy dandy LA Girl Pro Conceal. So that's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to be using Chestnut. Then I'm going to take that brush and just blend it out. Okay, so again, the sponge came through, okay? It came through. It's actually looking flawless, guys. Flawless, okay? It looks amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour, and let me tell you, at e.l.f., only that other foundation that I saw was even remotely close to being dark enough for me to contour with. And I didn't get it, so I can't use that to contour. So I'm going to use my NYX Cream Highlight and Contour Palette. I use this all the time, this little contour palette. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and use.
Don't stop.
So now to set everything, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Soft Luminous Setting Powder. And now to set the rest of my face, I am going to be using the e.l.f. Finishing Powder in Deep. So now I'm gonna do my brows. So I guess I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. Okay, now that you guys are nice and up close and personal with my face, we are going to get started with the eye look. And I'm going to be using the Mad for Matte palette by e.l.f. The shade range on this palette is not that great. They all kind of look the same, but it's matte, so it's going to be good. So I'm just going to go in with a fluffy e.l.f. brush. This one is the more like flat one. I don't think I have a super fluffy one. So I'm going to go in with that brownish reddish shade. Okay, and now I'm going to be going in with the darker brown shade, but not the darkest one. So now, to darken it up even more, I'm going to be going in with a denser flat brush. It's similar to that other one, but it's a lot denser. And with that, I am going to go in with the last dark shade in this palette. And I'm only going to use that to focus literally like on my crease. Only on my crease. To blend, I'm going to go back in with that first fluffy brush and just kind of use that to blend it all out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease. There, so now that I'm done carving my crease with concealer, I'm going to take the e.l.f. eyeshadow pigments, or the glitter, in Lunar Lilac. And I am just gonna pack that onto my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Extra Thick Ink Eyeliner, and I'm going to use that to give myself a wing. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and be a little more extra, and I'm going to be taking the sparkling silver and lining above the black. Okay guys, so now for mascara, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Length and Volume Mascara in black. Alright, so the eyes are done, and the final thing I'm going to do is put on some blush. I picked up the blush palette, and this one's the dark one, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that on, and I'm going to be using the highlighting brush from e.l.f. And I think I'm going to be using the darkest one. Ooh. Okay, so it's super duper pigmented. Whoa. Alright, and now to set everything, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really like the eyes. I thought they came out amazing. Even though the glitter was super, you know, it went everywhere, but I was able to eventually get it off, and I think it looks pretty freaking cool. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel. Bye guys.